My name is Joel, and I'm a pastor of a Pentecostal Lighthouse Church in Ontario, Canada, about 35 to 50 congregants, and I give Google Sheets a 5 out of 5 rating. So before we started using Google Sheets more frequently, we were using Microsoft Excel for all of our spreadsheet needs. And the reason why it wasn't working for us really was the cost of keeping things online and accessible. And so basically, Google Sheet provided, because we're non for profit, provided us the opportunity to keep everything online and across our platforms and endless amounts of users. These are the reasons why we've mostly switched to using Google Sheets. The reasons why we chose Google Sheets was simply the ability to update something on one computer and it automatically be updated in the cloud on another through the Google platform. That is probably the sole reason. Everything else, comparatively, if you look at Google Sheets and Microsoft Excel, for most functions is cross-platform standard. So really the major feature for us was the ability to have things accessible across platforms, and be able to see things live and work on things together as a team. Google Sheets is really easy to get started with because it's so accessible. If you have a Google account, you can just sign in and begin using Google Sheets right from your phone or your computer. You don't have to necessarily, well, you do have to download some apps, but it's just so easy to get on and get going. Now, as far as learning a spreadsheet tool, that part's the learning curve, and it's a little bit more difficult, but as soon as you break through some of those barriers of just learning how to use functions and formulas and how different cells connect, et cetera, man, it like the sky's the limit of what you can do with Google Sheets. My recommendation for those of you that are considering getting Google Sheets is stop considering and get it. It's free, it's accessible. If you need more, you can upgrade your package, your plan, whatever they have available. It's cost effective. It's just a real no-brainer. It's the easiest way to get on and start learning how to use spreadsheets, data, things like that. Just get into it. There's no reason not to.